Hello my friends, welcome back. I'm here again. I might as well just keep the videos rolling for you guys because we're home. We have to make use of our time, keep ourselves busy, be creative, keep it real, keep it positive and all of that stuff. So I thought, let me just get another video out. Why not? In the last video, I showed you guys some products I got from the Mellow Cosmetic brand because they reached out to me about that. And I'm really happy, and again, thank you Mellow Cosmetics for reaching out. And the affiliate link is in the description box, but I'm going to leave it under this video again for you guys. Again, just plain face. I just wanted with a lipstick, and this is from Milani. This is just a plain pinky nude lipstick. This one is called Adorable. And I'm kind of going back and visiting some of my old products that I do have. And I went in with the current lip liner, but very, very lightly. And that's what's on the lip, just in case you are wondering. So I picked up a few things from BeautyBay. And again, I did post a picture of this saying that I am at home, just receiving my packages. It's not a bad thing. So, and I don't even remember what I got from BeautyBay, but this is the box. We are going to unbox this today. So we are just going to remove the strip right here. And I do have a lipstick swatch coming up probably in the next video and this video is going to be inspired by Shibo Casillo because she did a lip swatch with the Essence lipstick and I got them. So I'm going to be swatching those for you. Yeah, whatever people have, I always want. Not all the time though. And so I spent £28 and 25p at BeautyBay. I'm just going to show you guys what I have, and of course everything comes nicely packaged. That's one of the things that I do appreciate from BeautyBay. So let me just grab something to open this up, and then I'm going to show you guys what I got. I don't know. Let's just discover this together, shall we? We all like to be surprised together. And one of the things I always say on my channel is that I am not very good at unboxing because the minute I get something in the mail, I just want to rip it open. So it's nicely packaged in bubble wrap here. And I'm just going to show you guys what I have. And I think I'm just going to mention the prices are here. So I'm going to tell you guys exactly what the prices are as we go through. Take everything out and toss that on the floor. So I picked up the Wet n Wild blending brushes, or the Crease Brush, and these brushes were £1.95. And the reason why I actually got these brushes is because I had gotten a sample in either the Birchbox or the Look Fantastic beauty box, and I actually fell in love with the brushes. And here they be, and it's so it's got a nice little plastic arm just to protect them. Let me see if I can remove that. Oh, you just have to, it's just open up at the top and you just pull that down gently without pulling the brush, and there we go. So I picked up 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the brushes are really, really good when it comes to blending in the creases and your blending brushes. And I find some of the brushes that I do have do work. And I also find that sometimes when you buy a full set of brushes, even sometimes the ones you get from Amazon, doesn't always come with a good set of blending brushes. But I really like these, so I picked up 5 of them. And they were £1.95 each from BeautyBay. So, and this is what the brushes looks like. I mean, I love the brushes. It's beautiful pink and white detail going on there. And again, it is from Wet n Wild. Okay, hope you guys can see that. Okay. And I'm going to leave everything below in the description box for you guys. So I've got 5 of them. Really cheap. Really, really cheap. But you know what? Cheap but good. And I do recommend these brushes for you guys. Next I do have gel lip liner. The lip liner, I don't even know how much this one is. The lip liner is £3.95. And this is from, is this Wet n Wild? I am not quite, oh it is, yes. It's a Wet n Wild lip liner, and it's called, ooh. It's called I Got the Juice. I'm not kidding. That's what written on here, just in case you think I'm making it up. If you guys can see that, maybe you can focus a bit. Yeah, there we go. That's the name of the pencil. Where do they come up with these things, for God's sake? Where do they come up with these names? I got the juice. All right. It reminds me of Current lip liner from MAC, or maybe Chestnut, that kind of shade. Because I think these lipstick shades blends nicely with nude lipsticks. Looks really, really, really good. You can just put this just on the outskirts of your lips with a beautiful nude lipstick. Even this one from Milani, it can work as well. Again, this one is called Adorable. And because I like to use my dark lip liners with nude lipsticks, it looks really good. So this is £3.95 and it's from Wet n Wild. Okay, and I love that shade. So I do have another lip liner here. This is from LA Girl lip liner. Let's see the price for this one. I don't know, but I think I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. I don't see it. I don't have my glasses with me. So let me just remove the plastic quickly for you guys here. This is £2.75 from LA Girl. I'm not quite sure if these were on sale at on BeautyBay, or maybe I'm just cheap. And I think maybe I'm just cheap. So the LA Girl lip liner is called Spice. And let me just do another swatch for you guys. Another nice lip liner. It reminds me of Clingy from Morphe. This is it right there. It's called Spice. It's a nice one. And this can also work with your nudish pinkish lipsticks, you know, as well. This can actually work like that. And again, this is £2.75. I don't know about you guys, but you know what? I'm really cheap, and I feel like if things aren't like under £5, I don't really want it. So we are going to be opening up some lipsticks, and I think everything I got is from Wet n Wild. So let me just remove the plastic quickly here. And this lipstick, let me just put that back. Hang on. I'm not quite sure what this one's called, but I'm going to leave the name in the description box for you. It's almost like a rosy, pinky color. Oh yeah, that's gonna be great for the fall season. Sorry, for the winter. Whatever. This is gonna be great for springtime. I think it's this thing that's making me cuckoo today. So there we go. This is what this lipstick looks like. Okay, from Wet n Wild. There we go. Nice pink. I like that. It's a pink lipstick, but you feel like it has a reddish undertone to it. Let's open the other one from Wet n Wild. I do have my scissors here just in case you're wondering what I'm doing. I'm just trying to remove the plastic. And let's just get that off quickly. I remember one time I bought some things from Superdrug and I was trying to do an unboxing video for you guys. I had to stop because the things were so tightly wrapped. I was like, oh my god. So let me just see how fast I can remove this one. Another lipstick from Wet n Wild, and they were all £2 and change. And I don't have my glasses with me, so the names are to the bottom. And this is like an orangey type of color. And yeah, I think I'm gonna like that to the end right there. I like this one. And it's almost like you have, it comes across as a matte color, but some kind of, it doesn't have a shimmer, but it has a nice color to it. A nice finish to it. It's not color, but you know what I mean. A nice finish to it. It's almost like a matte finish. Again, not to worry guys, the names are going to be linked below for you guys. And I do have another one here. And I didn't realize everything was from Wet n Wild because I think, you know, it's a good brand, very inexpensive. And again, if you're somebody who is just starting out a YouTube channel and you want some beauty products to talk about, Wet n Wild is a really great place to start. The collection beauty brand is a great way to start. And this one is more of a plain nude lipstick. So let me just see if I can do a swatch right there. And I like that. This is this one right there. And this lip liner here, which one was that? That was called Spice. Spice is gonna work really, oh yeah. Spice is gonna work really nice with that if you just blend that in. So Spice will work, or the one that I showed you guys before from Wet n Wild called, what was it again? I got the juice. Will work perfectly for you. There we go, this one right to the end. And you just basically have to blend the lip liner in. It's gonna look really nice. Beautiful. And I think I've got one more to show you guys from Wet n Wild. The lipsticks were $2.75, $2.95, that mark, not more than that. And let's just open up this one. And it's right here. And the reason why I do love shopping at BeautyBay, you have an option of next day delivery, which is really good because nobody wants to wait a whole week for your stuff, right? I mean, I don't. If I order something online today, I want it tomorrow. I'm sorry. That's how I play. And this one here is another orangey type of color. Let's put this to the end. Oh yeah, your girl's gonna love this one for sure. Right here to the end. There we go. As you can see, the colors are quite nice. And they're really perfect for this time of year. I would say for the spring summer season. This one that I just showed you guys will work well for the fall as well. Beautiful. I love that nude color in the middle. That's really pretty. Very nice. This lipstick doesn't need a lip liner. You can go in with Habanero from MAC. That lip liner will work great for this one because it's an orangey type of color. Very pretty. And this is all for the unboxing today from BeautyBay. Again, everything we talk about is going to be left below for you guys. And I spent £28, 25p for everything in this box today. It wasn't much. And I love the brushes from Wet n Wild because I think they work really well. Just in case you guys want to pick up on one of these, again, everything is going to be below for you guys. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video and try and stay as safe as you can. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching. Next video that's coming up would be the lip swatches from Essence, and it's going to be an inspired video by Shibo Kuseo. I'm going to leave her link in the description box as well for you guys to go check it out. And that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for spending this wonderful time with me today. Hope you guys enjoy. My name is Odette. Toodles.